Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talking about how to apply styling to an element in CSS. CSS is also called the cascading style sheet. It describes how HTML elements will be displayed on the screen with different medias. And CSS can also control the layout and create a style of multiple web pages at the same time. Here's my example from the last semester. You can see the background and the font and the way it displays the pictures. When I click the picture and it pop up the description, and I made those all from I made those by using CSS. And there are like 3 ways you can add CSS into HTML. And you can see here's the example that I make for this tutorial. I make a header first to put the paragraph and the title inside. You can see there are 3 titles, 3 different sizes, and this is H2 size, and this one is the H1 size, and here's the paragraph like normal size. The first way to add CSS into the HTML file is called inline, which is using the style attributes in HTML elements, but it only can apply a unique style to a single HTML element. Here's the example. You can see the first one, I'm red. It's the H2 size. So in the H2 size, this line, you make a style called color red inside the box, and you will see only this line become red. If you delete it like this, it becomes black. And you can add this style, and you only change the color for H2 size, and only for this and red this sentence. And the second way to add a CSS into HTML file is called internal. You can use a style element in this section, and you see. I just delete this first. You can see in this header section, it has the style elements right here, and it has like the background color for the body part, and the color for the H1 size sentences, and another color for the paragraph. You can see I put the H1 sentences is called I'm title, and the title's color is blue. That's how you use it for the style inside the HTML. And the third way, I think is the most easy way, and it's really clear that you can put all those styles into a CSS file. I can show you how to do it. At first, we delete this. Just delete the style, and you can see like all the sentences are become like black, the normal style, and you copy paste to another CSS file, which is connected to this HTML file. And for this one, you can write if we want like the color of the H1 become yellow, you can just write color yellow. Yeah, and now it becomes yellow. And if you want to change the background color for the whole body part, you can just make the body part first, and you put the background color for this one. I just made blue probably for right now. And for the paragraph, you can also change the color. Just change it to red. And for the CSS style, you can also use the HTML color code. and it can provide like different kinds of colors that you choose. You can just like copy paste what you like from here, and you just need to remember, once you made up the you copy paste the color code, you should put this signal first, sign first, and you can just change the color. And that's like pretty easy so far. And CSS can also change the size of the sentences, or like the way how you display. Yeah, and that's pretty easy. You can find it if you are interested.